Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've had a couple of people ask me about the Leatherman Garage 3 parts, whatever you call it, how it looks to change the blade. So I thought I'll quickly do a video about that. You can see the extra blade here. So basically, what we're gonna do, before we do that guys, please like and subscribe, and I've got some affiliate links in the description, so please use them. Really helps the channel out a lot. Alright, let's get started. So you can see there's two screws there, one there and one in this side, this blue one. So we loosen them. So this one's just a weird little screw like that. Try to do this so I don't cut myself. So that just comes out like that, and then the little back part out like that. And from the factory you can see the blues already flaking off or have flaked off, so you can see the prototype in that, and then you will see it's still, even with the one out, it's still quite connected. So then we'll loosen this one a little bit, and it will just pop out like that, and then you can see how it basically, you can see some of the coloring here has also come off already. To be expected, I would say, even if you just look at the material and the way it's done. But I also guess it gives it quite a bit of character. So that's how it looks like. You take this blade, it's already got the screw in. So let's just line it up. Let's just loosen this one a tiny bit. It looks like we have to take this one out. Okay, well there it's out now. Okay, so for now let's first pop this one back. So it just pops in like that, and then screws in like that, but we'll just screw it from this side. Okay, and then this tiny one, oh man, this is a tiny screw. Sorry, I'm trying to also look past the camera as I'm doing it, so I just have a better view. And then that will basically go like that, and that, and then there you have the different blade. I actually really like the shape of this blade, very cool. And then close it. That's then how it looks closed. Awesome guys, thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.